Installing VirtualBox guest editions on Windows 10? I am trying to install VirtualBox guest editions on Windows 10 Technical Preview, and am getting the following error. I imagine I am not the only one having this issue. Is there any way to force it to install?
Use of Windows compatibility settings, or use/force, will not work. Installer will run, but with no real effects. Install VirtualBox April 3, 2018 or newer. It has improved compatibility with Windows 10. Note: Menu Help and GT. Check for updates, may not reflect the newest as being the latest. Download it manually instead. Download of new versions. Windows host, download from VirtualBox download page for latest. Ubuntu host, run the following commands to register the virtualbox.org repository with the package manager and update from it. If you prefer, you can install the oldest, VirtualBox 5.2. According to your distribution, replace Xenial with any other Ubuntu release, like Zesty, Yakety, Xenial, Vivid, Utopic, Trusty, Raring, Quantal, Precise, Stretch, Lucid, Jessie, Wheezy, or Squeeze. Others, check the download page here.
It's a preview version, so I suspect it's doing naive version checking. An update for VirtualBox or Windows 10 should do the trick eventually. For now, right-click on it, select Properties, the Compatibility tab, and select Windows 8 Compatibility there. Much easier than using the compatibility troubleshooting I did initially. However, the drivers don't actually seem to work once installed, so an update would probably be needed. Can't believe I actually missed that. Once again, it's a preview version, and it doesn't quite work right.
Use the force.